Question number 1. The account that records expenses, gains and losses is. The options are A. Real account, B. Nominal account, C. Personal account, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Nominal account. Question number 2. The following is a statement of revenues and expenses for a specific period of time. The options are A. Trial balance, B. Profit and loss statements, C. Balance sheet, D. Trading account. The correct answer is A. Trial balance. Question number 3. The following are the current liability IEs. The options are A. Bills payable, B. Outstanding expenses, C. Bank overdraft, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. Balance sheets are prepared. The options are A. Daily, B. Weekly, C. Monthly, D. Annually. The correct answer is D. Annually. Question number 5. The assets that can be converted into cash within a short period, 1 year or less, are known as. The options are A. Fixed assets, B. Intangible assets, C. Current assets, D. Investments. The correct answer is C. Current assets.